why your salary disappears faster than you think, even when you don't overspend much. What if the real problem is not your income, but the hidden layers controlling your money without you noticing? Let me ask you something real. Do you ever feel like your money disappears even when you didn't buy anything big? Most people say yes, and that's confusing because you think, I'm not careless with money, so why is nothing left? Here's the truth. Money doesn't disappear randomly. It moves through layers of a financial system you never actually see. And most people only look at the surface. Salary comes in, expenses go out, savings if anything is left. But that's not how real financial systems work. And here's a question for you. When your salary arrives, do you plan your money? Or does your money just get spent automatically? Because that answer reveals everything. Layer 1, income layer, the entry point. This is where money enters your life. Salary, business income, side income. It feels like full control, but it's actually the weakest point. Quick question. When your salary comes in, how long does it take before you feel like it's already half gone? For most people, it's just a few days, because control is only temporary at this layer. Layer 2, automatic expense layer. This is where money leaves silently. Rent, EMIs, subscriptions, bills, transport. Most of this is automatic. You don't actively decide it every day. It's already decided for you. Ask yourself, do you really know all the automatic payments going out of your account every month? Because most people don't. And that's where control starts slipping. Layer 3, emotional spending layer. This is the most dangerous layer. Stress shopping, impulse buying, convenience spending. It doesn't feel like financial decision making, it feels like emotion relief. Be honest. Have you ever spent money just to feel better for a moment? That's this layer in action, and it quietly increases expenses without warning. Layer 4, credit and delay layer. This is where future money gets involved. Credit cards, buy now, pay later. Loans. It feels easy today, but the cost comes later. Question, do you think credit makes life easier, or just delays financial pressure? Because delay always comes back as stress. Layer 5, wealth layer. Most people never reach this properly. This is where money should grow. Savings, emergency fund, investments. But here's the problem. Most people never consistently reach this layer because money gets consumed before it ever gets here. So here's a question. On a normal month, does any of your money actually reach long-term savings? Be honest. Now let's simplify everything. You don't need a complex system. Just build awareness first. Step 1, track your money for 7 days. Just observe where it goes, no judgment. Step 2, separate your money. Divide into essentials, savings, and spending. Even a simple split works. Step 3, automate savings first. Before spending anything, move a fixed amount out, because what you don't see, you don't spend. Step 4, control emotional spending. Before any purchase, pause and ask, do I need this? Or is this just a reaction? That one pause changes everything. So here's a real question for you. Which layer do you think causes the most money loss in your life? Income timing, automatic expenses, emotional spending, credit system, or lack of savings structure? Comment just one word, and be honest. Do you feel like you control your money? Or your money is just moving through layers you never see? If this made you think differently, subscribe to Wealth Insure Lab for simple financial clarity every week. See you in the next one.